Waki wa iganda una icigo cia kuhurira biacara mugunda-ini wa makiria maai ka 1,000 gicigo-ini kia Naivasha county ya Nakuru waya kwa ihinda iraya tabarira ino ingiaga kuhurwo jeki. Thutha wa icera gicigo-ini giki muikari giti wa Kamiti ya wonjoria James Gakuya augite aigithia aria mathukiirwo eka 100 matironania hiki ya gukuria gicigo giki iri ta njira ya kuguciriria aigithia makiria na uguo tabarira ino igekuirwo kwa ihinda iraya.
We requested for this funding, but somehow we have not seen any indication on that particular promise that actually the funding will be provided as requested by the special economic zone. The requirement was 4.5 billion so that we can be able to complete everything here. This is including, because road infrastructure, we have it all the way here, but we don't have any single funding for what we call inside park roads, then access road to various manufacturers within the park.
Kuringana na Gakuya, shiringi birioni 4.5 ni cirabataranĩka waki-ini wa barabara gwĩkĩra thitima ona maai imwe cia tabarĩra ici nĩ ciambĩrĩirie kwarirwo.
We need a proper access road to really pull the investors. Number 2 is that power connection. It also need a tune of money to connect power to the investors' destined areas. Also, we need that water from the water reservoir. Connect them to those facilities of investment.
The substation there is coming very well. I think by July, really people should be able to use it. So there is quite some successes going on. I wish they were faster than that. I think what I'm really talking about is, it is my responsibility to accelerate the things that are being done to make sure that come September, October, this place will look like an industrial.
Mwenini wake munini wa Gakuya Marian Keitani augite birioni 2.5 ni ciendekithitio budget-ini ya mwaka uyu niguo waki wa barabara ona gwikira thitima ikinyanire.
When we start the next financial year, out of the 4.5 billion, because we need to fast track these projects, then almost half of what is required should be funded in this financial year coming, and the last bit should come after the next financial year, so that in about 2-3 years we can talk about an industrialized Kenya.
Grifo Terak Meme TV reto rekwa ni Mwaura wa Dongo.